Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to learn the difference between bad Mosfet and good Mosfet. So we're going to start with bad Mosfet. So set the meter and diode mode. So start with bad Mosfet. This is the diagram of Mosfet. This is the drain. All 4 pins 1, 2, 3, 4. This pin are together, are connected together. This are drain, and this 3 pin are connected together. This are source, and this one pin is gate. So S stands for source, D stands for drain, and G stands for gate. So for body MOSFET, source and gate are shorted or connected. Let's see. This is the body MOSFET, source and gate shorted. So let's test. So also the difference between good and bad MOSFET, the big difference or the key difference is source and drain shorted or connected. Let's test. This is the drain, this is the drain. So this is the drain and this is the source. So source and the drain shorted or connected. Also gate and the drain connected or shorted. This is the drain and this is the gate are shorted. But the bad MOSFET. So a good MOSFET, the same to bad MOSFET. This is drain, this is source, and this is gate. Source and drain not shorted, and the source and the gate not shorted, gate and the drain not shorted. Let's see. No beep. Not shorted. So this is a good MOSFET. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. Thank you.